Hi everyone. For something I'm making now, I'm working with walnut, and I've just cut the large piece of walnut that you can see behind me there into, I've cut off 3 pieces that I'm going to work with. I was just planing it and it occurred to me to show you how beautiful this timber is to work with. So I've already planed 2 pieces. I'm going to plane this 3rd piece specifically for this little video. So if I can get this in there, you can see the current finish raw from the timber mill. It's quite a large piece. It's about 29 by 5 and I've cut it to around about 30 centimeters long. So I'm going to plane it now and take you through it so you can see. What I love is the way that the grain emerges. That's of course why it's such a beautiful timber to work with. Look at that. So from there, it's fairly unassuming really, isn't it, to there. These beautiful knots that appear. Or nuts. I should have shown you this one. It was very pretty as it came out. You can see how it's quite shiny from the plane. So it finishes beautifully with some oil. I also did this larger one, which is really what made me think of filming it. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. So that was it. Just wanted to share that. Got to get back to work.